Do you want to know what's happening in immigration court? The government attorneys have been instructed not to agree to anything. Like, there are 5 things you have to prove to win an asylum case, 3 things you have to prove to win a cancellation or removal case. It used to be when you walked into court, government attorney would say, oh, I agree that you meet physical presence. We're going to have the trial over the other 2 things. But now they won't agree to even the simplest things. I had a client who was pro se before she came to me, and she attempted to file for asylum on her own. There's a 1-year filing deadline for asylum, in case you don't know. If you don't file within that 1 year, then you're not eligible for asylum. There's more to that, but just accept that for the moment. So this client tried to file on her own. She got a rejection notice because she sent it to the wrong address, which is an easy mistake to make when you're pro se. So she came to me, we got it filed. Let's say we got it filed 2 months after the deadline, after the 1-year filing deadline. A normal government attorney would say, oh, exceptional circumstances. We understand why it was late. She attempted to file on her own, but not this attorney. This attorney
5'10"
argued that it was not filed within a reasonable time of the rejection. What? Why are we spending any time talking about this? They will even spend time arguing if evidence is submitted 1 day late. They'll admit, yeah, I've had a chance to read it. I've had a chance to review everything. There's no prejudice to the government. And it was just because there's a 30-day deadline and it was filed at 29 days, we're going to object to it. Just as a matter of course. They're just objecting to every single thing. And the judges, which our judges are not independent judiciary, by the way, are being forced to hold 4 trials every single day. It used to be one 8 o'clock case and a 1 o'clock case. Now they're being forced to do an 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock. What that means is they try to force us to consolidate our evidence. Do you really need all of those witnesses? Do you really need to do a full direct examination? I want you to do your direct examination only focusing on these things. Like, you're limiting the presentation of my case because you have these ridiculous constraints that you're trying to make this trial fit into.